Good afternoon, everybody. Techout here. Today we're going to be unboxing a little Cyber Monday Otterbox special, if you will. They had a good deal going on some products, so I picked a couple things up. I will explain here in a second when I pull them out. So you're going to get that out of there. Alright, so here we have this, and I'll explain this in a second. And we have the Otterbox Defender here for the Pixel 6 Pro. And I will be doing a separate video on this. You'll probably see this video before the video of the rest of this stuff. So if you're watching this, go back and check that one out. I'll have a video installing this on my Pixel 6 Pro and checking it out. So there is the Defender for the Pixel 6 Pro. And right here we have the Otterbox. I believe this is the, I forget what the model is, but it's the 20-ounce tumbler, insulated tumbler, and a blue, oh, it's the Elevation 20, there it is right there. So this was actually free. Otterbox has a VIP program, which it gives you a couple things. When you sign up, you get this for free. Now this I think normally is $29.99. The VIP program is $29.99, so if you're looking to pick one of these up, you might as well just sign up for this. This gives you 10% off products, and it also gives you free express shipping on cases and stuff like that. I think there's an exclusion for coolers. There's still ground shipping just because of the size, but everything else is 2-day shipping, and you get a free tumbler. And this is a yearly subscription, $29.99 a year. They do say the gifts get more interesting, and they also have random things and coupons, I guess, that they do. But on Black Friday they had that for $15 to where you could sign up for this. So I picked that up right here. And the cup was free. So basically, if you're going to get a cup, you might as well just sign up, because then you can get discounts for the rest of the year as well. And you get the free cup. So that is the Otterbox VIP program. I just wanted to do a little bit of a video on that, since like I said, it was a Black Friday, or a Cyber Monday special rather, sorry. And you know, just show you what you get exactly, because I know people are curious, and I get a lot of views on the Otterbox products, and a lot of curiosity and stuff like that. So just wanted to show you guys what that was all about. And then, like I said, I will be doing a separate video on the case for the Pixel 6 Pro. This has been Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Have a great day.